Hi, my name's Ray. I'm with Groove Entertainment Technologies, and today we're going to talk about repairing some missing audio on one of our receivers in our DIRECTV Headend system. So the first thing we need to do is identify what channel or maybe multiple channels that might be missing audio from our TVs. Be sure to make note of these channels that are experiencing these issues as we go to this head-end location. If you don't know where your head-end is located, it's typically located in a closet or a distribution room, normally cannot be accessed by the public. You'll be looking for a rack system pretty much looking like this, sometimes much larger, maybe multiple racks as well. If you have a monitor in the same room, I recommend turning the TV monitor on and tuning it to the channel that's having this issue. In our case, we're using channel 32, so I'll change the channel to 32. And the receiver should be labeled with that channel here that it's broadcasting. Typically, I'll just pull the receiver out so I don't mix it up from the rest. And if a receiver is not labeled, we can use the TV monitor in the room to try and identify what receiver is having the issue. We can try the first receiver in the rack and push the menu button on the front of the receiver and see if anything changes on our TV. Nothing. Try again with another. Still nothing. I know it's this one, so I'll push menu and I see a change. Now, missing sound can usually be resolved simply just by resetting the receiver that's having this broadcasting issue. There's a couple different ways that we can go about doing this. If you can reach the reset button on the receiver, you can push that button for just about 1 second to start the process. Standard definition here, I'll open this door. We have our reset button right here. High definition, we'll have our reset button on the top here. Might be easier to reach over the top and push that button. If that's not possible, you can simply pull out the power and plug it back in. If after all those steps there's still no audio, we can no test the mini mod to see if that is broadcasting the sound or not. Here's our mini mod. And we have our connection right here for our audio. And we directly connect that into the back of the television here in the audio port. The sound should come back after about 5 minutes or so. After doing these reset, after getting all of our receivers back up and running, if still no sound, then definitely call Groove Entertainment Technologies for some additional troubleshooting. Thank you so much for viewing our tutorial. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always, if you need further support, please call us at 801-994-3642. You can email us at support@getgroovin.com or just send us a chat on our website.